Witness testimony continued in the case against Kim Potter, the former Brooklyn City police officer who shot and killed Daunte Wright, a 20-year-old black man, during a traffic stop back in April. Back with me is my legal expert, Joseph Tully. All right, so the state started day 2, Joseph, of this trial by calling Daunte's girlfriend, Alayna Albrecht Payton, to the stand. She was the one in the car with Daunte when he was shot and killed. And during her testimony, she described in graphic detail the moments right before and after Daunte was killed. Take a listen.
Just grabbed like whatever was in the car. I don't remember if it was a sweater, a towel, or a blanket, or something. I just grabbed whatever it was and put it on his chest. Like you know, you see it in movies and TV shows. I didn't know what to do, so I just put my hands over his chest and I just tried to hold it, and I was just trying to scream his name. And I was just trying to have him talk to me, and just kept saying, Daunte, like, Daunte, like, just say something, please, like, just talk to me. And he just couldn't. Like, I know he tried, like, I know he wanted to. Because I replay that image in my head daily.
Joseph, first, let me get your reaction to hearing Payton's emotional testimony there.
Oh, it was very, very human. I mean, it grounds the case. It reminds everybody that, hey, this is a death of a young man who had a life that was full of promise. I mean, this is a human being suffering, grieving at a horrible death, it's someone that she's with being killed in front of her eyes. And this is on top of his mother yesterday giving equally emotional testimony. So the prosecution is on a roll in terms of presenting its case.
I was going to ask you about that too. Your thoughts on the state's strategy in terms of how they're starting their case in chief each day. You mentioned yesterday they started with Daunte's mother, an emotional testimony there from her, and then today they start with Daunte's girlfriend there. Sometimes you can kind of get prosecutors starting sort of sterile, so to speak, with experts, officers, but they're starting here with emotional testimony from people who were the closest to the deceased here in this case, Daunte Wright. Your thoughts on that?
It took me embarrassingly about 10 to 15 years of trying cases before I realized that prosecutors put like the most compelling witness on first. They want to start off with a bang. Basically, we've all heard the expression that news people, and I'm not saying present company excluded, but in the movies at least, the news people say if it bleeds, it leads. And basically the same thing with the prosecution. They want to start off with a bang. They want their most powerful, compelling, emotional testimony up front, so they set the tone for the trial. And they're doing that in this case, and I think it's turning out very well for them.
Well, Joseph, during cross, the defense now honed in on what Payton and Daunte were doing the morning before the shooting. She admitted on the stand on cross-examination that they smoked weed that day, but noted that it didn't have any, quote, disabling effects on either of them. You're a defense attorney. Explain why Daunte smoking weed, something that pretty much everybody is doing at this point, and it's been legalized in multiple states, is relevant in this case.
So embarrassingly for my profession, it's not relevant. The only reason the defense brought that up is because maybe 20 years ago it would have been relevant, because representing a police officer, before videos came out and that were widely available, all they would have to do is go to a jury and say, and ladies and gentlemen, this is a guy, I mean, he had a warrant out for him. He was smoking, smoking marijuana. He was on drugs. And, this police officer was justified in her use of force and just made a mistake. But it really has no legal relevance. I mean, as you point out, who cares about whether or not people smoke marijuana? He didn't deserve to be shot that day, and that's the point.
That is the point. I've got 90 seconds, but this case is definitely going to be, it's going to hinge on this video, multiple videos from different angles, and especially hearing Kim Potter, in her words after shooting Daunte, that she clearly made a mistake. How impactful will this video be on the jury in rendering a verdict?
Well, I don't think that you can watch that video and not feel for her. She clearly is very distraught. But look, all accidents are negligent, right? So while an accident can be a defense in a case, I didn't mean to do it. It was an accident. You know, an accident can still be negligent to the point where it's criminal. So I think that although you can have, you know, empathy for her situation, what was she doing kind of getting involved when another officer was already right there, a male officer who was close with Mr. Wright and was basically handling it? Why did she feel the need to go in and use a taser on somebody who was in control of a car that could be driving away? Why would you tase somebody who could then drive off into oncoming traffic? None of that makes sense. So while you can have empathy for her, it doesn't establish a defense. So I think it's a good tool for the defense, but it won't prove dispositive of an actual defense for her.
Well, we're definitely going to be hearing from her, as the defense made clear early on in this case that she will be taking the stand. So we're definitely going to be monitoring this case. Joseph Tully, thank you so much for your insights tonight. I appreciate you.